Just with a quick review of the Sigma 3 Survival School. I attended the medical and medicinal herbs class today. Very interesting class, a lot of fun. Josh was a great instructor. I'll have an interview up with him here in a little bit. The school itself seems pretty cool. Great looking grounds out definitely in the middle of nowhere. Right now I am filming at a park kind of near the school, just because it just was so wet, so rainy up at the school today. It just came down and down and down with buckets of rain. I'm going to go ahead and put some clips and some pictures of what went down today at the school. Not going to give away too much information because obviously it is a paid course. It is a paid course, and of course they need to get paid. So enjoy the clips.
I love goldenrod. It makes a delicious tea for one. The tea has also got antioxidants in it. It's good for flavor. It's like I just drink it for fun, but it also will cure urinary tract infections. And it's wet, so the powderiness of the leaves doesn't really show through when it's wet like this.
Seeded land coral.
These are corals here. Corals come in every color. I've seen them blue, I've seen them green, orange, purple. But this is the best tasting color. And corals are a delicacy. They're so damn delicious.
And they're in the mushroom family?
Yes, they're a mushroom. This is perilla, or Korean mint is another name for it. Or shishi is another name. Brought here from Korea as a food.
Perilla, Korean mint.
It's a pretty delicious food. It's very tasty.
Yeah, we ate some the other day.
Yep. In fact, I recommend everyone try some.
I believe, wasn't it kind of spicy?
It's
spicy?
It's not spicy like hot, but it's spicy like, I don't know how to describe it. There's one with purple flowers on it. See it there? Any idea? Crush it up and smell it.
Kind of rub it like that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, oregano.
Oregano.
Yeah.
Yes. Oregano is a mint also. Notice the square stems. Try it. This one there is lobelia. Lobelia is used to help people quit smoking.
So learning about these edible and medicinal plants today will definitely help on the long hikes. Thank you. Here with Josh Hamlin of Sigma 3 Survival School. How you doing today, Josh?
I'm doing good.
Great to have you here on the channel. First, I want to say thank you for the wonderful walk we've had today, looking at the edible plants, their medicinal uses, and herbal uses. Thank you very much for that.
No problem.
Please tell us a little bit about who you are.
I'm Joshua Hamlin. I am the lead primitive skills instructor and the plant instructor at Sigma 3 Survival. I've been doing survival skills my entire life. I've been studying plants my entire life, and I guess my claim to fame is I've lived in the wilderness and lived primitively for many years. And that's what I do now, and that's what I love.
How long have you been teaching at Sigma 3?
I've been teaching at Sigma 3 since the beginning, about 7-8 years now. Since it's been around.
Can you tell us a little bit about the courses offered there and different programs?
Yeah, we offer a lot of courses. We've got the basic course, which covers everything you need to survive long-term in the wilderness. Then we got the advanced standard, which teaches you everything you need to survive and to be comfortable and happy in the wilderness. Then we got the Wildcrafter course, which teaches you everything you need to know about plant medicines and plant foods. We got the Bower course, teaches you how to make bows from scratch and how to kill animals with them. We got the Trapper course, which teaches you all the traps that you need to feed yourself in the wilderness. What else do we got? Oh, we got the Seer. I don't teach the Seer classes. That's more military minded than I am. Rob does a great job. We offer the Wildcrafter class, which teaches you everything you need to know about plant medicines and plant foods and useful plants. We also do plant identification and education, which is the class we're doing today. And then we do Seer and Scout. Seer is kidnapping, protection, how to deal with people. I don't teach that class, but it is a great class. I went through it and it was pretty cool. Rob teaches that. It's more tactical minded than I am. It's more military than I am. You know, my passion is the primitive skills. And then Scout, which is where you go out with just a knife and survive for 7 days. Of course, under our guidance.
Where can we find more information about Sigma 3?
You look us up at survivalschool.us. We also got a gear channel, which is survivalgear.us. And then, of course, we're on YouTube, Sigma 3 Survival. You can find me specifically at Primitive Living Skills on YouTube.
Thank you very much there, Josh. And last but not least, can you do any impressions?
No. I don't know anyone to do impressions with.
All right.
Oh, I can do a Squidward laugh.
Good enough.
That's it.
Good enough. Thank you very much. Yes. So as you may or may not have seen, there were a few people in the course today. It's usually, I was told, a lot more than that, but it was very rainy today. We did have the remains of Tropical Storm Gordon blow through, so that definitely hindered attendance. Anyway, check them out. Thank you. So check them out on Facebook, on YouTube, or just type in Google Sigma 3 Survival School.